In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Slack for Windows. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Slack installed from the Microsoft Store and ready to open using the simplest and most reliable method available on Windows. Let's begin by opening the Microsoft Store. On your Windows desktop, click the Start button, then type Microsoft Store, and press Enter to launch it. If you prefer, you can also find its icon on the taskbar or in your list of apps. Make sure you're connected to the internet before you start, since the store will need to download the app. With the Microsoft Store open, use the search bar at the top and type Slack. Press Enter, and you'll see search results appear. Look for the official Slack app listing with the recognizable Slack logo and the publisher listed as the official Slack team. Choosing the correct listing helps ensure you're getting the genuine, up-to-date app rather than any lookalike tools. Click the Slack result to open its dedicated page. Here, you can glance over the description, screenshots, and reviews, which can be helpful if you're confirming you've got the right app. You can also see file size, permissions, and whether your device meets the requirements. This page gives you a quick snapshot of what you're about to install and what to expect. When you're ready, click the Get button to start the installation. Depending on your device, the button might say Install, but it works the same way. The store may briefly ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. If it does, just follow the prompts. After that, the download will begin, and you'll see a progress bar. Keep the app open and let it finish. This usually only takes a moment on a stable connection. Once the installation completes, the Get button will change to Open. Click Open to launch Slack right away. If you'd prefer to open it later, you can find it anytime by clicking the Start button and typing Slack into the search field. From there, select the Slack app to open it, and that's all there is to it. You opened the Microsoft Store, searched for Slack, went to its app page, clicked Get to Install, and you're done. You can now launch Slack whenever you're ready to start organizing your conversations and collaborating with your team. If you found this helpful, feel free to follow along with more tutorials like this and enjoy your new Slack setup on Windows.